Union Home Minister Amit Shah will chair a high-level meeting in New Delhi today to review the security situation in Manipur, as confirmed by the Ministry of Home Affairs. Senior officials from the centre, state governments, the army and other security forces will attend. The meeting comes in the wake of increasing violence in the Jiribam district of Manipur. Over the past week, more than 600 individuals have fled the troubled district, seeking refuge in Assam's Kachar district. The unrest, sparked by the discovery of a body on June 6th, has led to a series of violent outbreaks, including the burning of homes and government buildings. The tension in Jiribam escalated following the brutal murder of a 59-year-old resident of Sorok Atingbi Kuno on June 6th. The aftermath of this incident has plunged the district into chaos, forcing residents of Mongbungkul to abandon their homes and seek shelter at the LP school in Chingdong Lekai. The situation underscores the urgent need for protection and stability in the region. Adding to the turmoil, reports have emerged of arson attacks targeting residential properties. In one incident, a house in Nunkal and a farmhouse in Laisabito were set ablaze by unknown individuals, further deepening the sense of insecurity among residents. Traditionally known for its mixed population and peaceful coexistence, Jiribam has been shaken by these recent violent events. Authorities have imposed Section 144 to restore order and calm the district. However, the tragic death and subsequent violence highlight the significant challenges faced by the community.